In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is have a Google account or a Gmail account, which is basically the same thing nowadays. And the way you do this is simply by typing Google, create account inside Google. Okay, so as you can see over here, you want to type into Google create account, and then you want to go to the first site, which is create a Google account. And then over here, you can choose a Google account type for yourself or to manage a business. So you want to click on for myself. And then in here, you want to put in your first name, your surname, and all the things that it requires. And that way you will easily be able to create a Gmail account or a Google account for yourself. Now, once you've done that, you want to sign into that account and go to youtube.com. Now, in here, you should be automatically signed into that account, but if you're not, just simply click login up here or sign up and you'll be able to log into YouTube. And now, in order for us to make a YouTube channel, you want to click up here to your profile picture, and then you want to click over here where it says create a channel, okay, this blue text. You want to press this, and then over here, it will ask you how you will appear, okay? You can select a profile picture by clicking over here and selecting a picture you want to have on your YouTube channel. You can select that or change that later, of course. It doesn't really matter when you do it. I'm not going to do it right now, but you just click select picture and you can select it from your files on your computer. And then you also have to put in a name. So let's say I want to have this YouTube channel to be named Soper or something like that, doesn't really matter. And then it will give you a handle. You can also customize that handle. It's basically an @handle via which people can find you easily. So let's say it's going to be Soper123. As you can see, it's available, and that's great. You want to press create channel then, and this will create a YouTube channel for you. In a few seconds, it's going to start loading up some things. And there we go. As you can see, your channel has now been created, okay? Now, the way you can access the YouTube studio of that channel, you want to click on your image, profile picture over here, and then you want to click on YouTube Studio right down here. There we go. And as you can see, it says welcome to YouTube Studio. You want to press continue, and it will give you a quick tour in case you haven't gone through it already. And as you can see, that's a YouTube Studio. It's basically the basis or the motherboard of any YouTube channel where you can customize pretty much everything you would like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you make a YouTube channel.